Good morning class 1. Welcome to your maths class children. Now in this video we will do page number 41. Page number 41. Yes children, today as you know that we don't have maths class, but still I am sending these videos because we were unable to finish the chapter in the offline classes as time the initially what happened in the beginning, we were all busy in arranging you all in the class, so it took time, and because of the sudden close down of the school, and we have started with the online classes. We are unable to finish this online, so I am giving you this three extra videos of the maths world. Isn't it, this book is maths world, so of maths, because I'm going to add this in the syllabus of your unit test 1. So I'm completing this. I know you have got the concept of this, whatever is done, and so let me see how far I can finish. If whatever the portion that I'll be able to finish in the videos before 13, means from 13 is the last working day of before the unit test, is before the summer break also. So I'm trying to finish how far I can, so that I can this portion can be added in the unit test 1 syllabus. So please go through the videos properly, okay, so that you can prepare yourself for the UT exam. So I'm sending you 3 or 4 extra videos before tomorrow. I'll send you all this. Okay, so before 13 I would like to finish the syllabus as far as possible, so that you can prepare yourself for the unit test 1. Okay. Now see, please pay attention, page number 41. You have got enough time in your hand. You can go through this, whatever is taught, so that you can do well in the exam. Now open your book at page number 41 and take a pencil in your hand. Let us see what we are going to do. Smallest and greatest numbers. Okay, smallest and greatest number. Look at the number line. So this is a number line. From 0 it begins and it ends with 20. Okay, number line like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 20 it is given here. See, this is 0 and this is 20. 20 is the greatest number. And here 0 has got no value, so the smallest number will have stands just near the 0. Okay, the number which is closest to 0 is the smallest number. So here in the in the number line, what you can see, the number closest to 0 is 1. The number which is just very much close to 0 is 1. So 1 is the lowest number, is the smallest number in the number line. Okay, because here the number line starts from 0 to 20. Isn't it? The number closest to 0 is 1. So 1 is the smallest number here in the number line, and 20 is the greatest number. The number on the number line shown above, the number closest to 0 is the smallest, and the number farthest from 0 is greatest. See, which is the number that is farthest from 0? So this is 20. It is in the extreme right, isn't it? So the number 20 is farthest to 0, so it is greatest number. Number 1 is, this 1 is closest to 0, so it is the smallest one. So for example, 7, 9, 12, 15. Here which is the smallest number? See, here the smallest number is 7, because the 7 is nearest to 0 here. Because only 4 numbers are given, so we'll consider this number only. Here 7. If you consider 9, it will go farther, isn't it? So 7 is closer to 0, so 7 is the smallest number. Now which number is farthest to 0 here among these 4 numbers? This is 15. See, 15 is here. So from 0 it is the farthest one. So compared to 12 and 9, right? So here 15 is the greatest number. Understood? So the simply what you'll keep in your mind, the number which is closest to 0 is smallest, and the number which is farthest to 0 is greatest. Now here see exercise 2.4, write the smallest number. Here in the box you have to write the smallest number. See what are the number given here? 8, 10, 17, 11, 18, 15. Which one is smallest? Obviously 8. So you have to write here 8. And if you see the number line, see 8 is closest to 0. Then comes 10, then comes 10, then 17, then 10, then 11, then 7, 15, then 17, right? Okay, so here which is the smallest number? 8. Now if you consider number 2, 5, 3, 20, 12, 15, 18. Which is the smallest number? 3. Because see, 3 is closest to 0. Then 5, 20, 15, 18, okay, 12. And 20 is the farthest one from 0. So 20 will not write here because 20 will be the greatest number. Here, which is the smallest number? Number 3. So we'll write here 3. Okay, we have written 8 in the first one. 8, then 3. Now we'll compare this number. Smallest one, 18, 7, 15, 17, 11, 4. So here 4 is the smallest number. 4 is the smallest number. 4 is closest to 0 compared to the other number like 11, 15, 7, 18 or 17, right? So this one is done. Now here number 2, write the greatest number. We know greatest number means the number which is farthest to 0. Here see 12, 18, 10, 15, 6, 8. Which is farthest to 0 here? 18. So 18 is the greatest number. See here, if you see the number line, see 18. 18 is here. Okay, farthest to 0. When you see all the number like 12, 10, 15, 6 and 8. Then here greatest number 10, 8, 14, 17, 15, 2. So here 17 is the greatest number. So we'll write here 17. Then number 3, 17, 19, 14, 11, 9, 5. Obviously 19 is farthest to 0. So here it will be 19. See, we consider the number 19 here. 19 is farthest to 0. Then the other numbers are 5. If we consider 5, it is closest, so it will not be the greatest one. Then if we consider 9, same thing, farther than 5, then 11, 14, 17, this way comes 19. Now here number 3, this is done. Number 3, circle the smallest number and cross the greatest number. Here 3 numbers are given in each number question. So you have to circle the smallest number and cross the greatest number. Here 15, 17, 19. Which is smallest? 15. So you have to circle it. And cross the greatest number. Which is greatest here? 19. You will cross it. Number B, 12, 18, 10. Which is smallest? 10. Which is greatest? 18. Greatest will cross. Number C, 9, 3, 4. Which is smallest? 3. You'll circle. Which is greatest? 9. You'll cut. Then number D, 13, 17, 12. Which is smallest? 12. Which is greatest? 13. Number E, 4, 8, 10. Which is smallest? 4. Which is greatest? 10. You are asked to give a cross mark to the greatest one. Number F, 15, 20, 19. Which is smallest? 15. Which is greatest? Here 20. We'll put a cross. Understood? Then come to page number 42. I hope you have done this one. Page number 42. Page number 42 is comparing the number. Comparing the number on the number line. Okay, you have to compare the number on the number line. See, greater than, less than and equal to. The symbol for greater than is this one and the symbol for less than is this one. Symbol for equal to is this one. Now the number which will be greater will come under this. Okay, like you will, the number which is greater will come like this. Okay, this side one and another one. If it is less than is like this. V. Okay, V shape. Less than and this number, this is greater than, greater than. Okay, and equal to, this is equal to. Suppose there is two number like 2 and 5. Here is a box, suppose. Which is greater? 5 is greater. So your finger will be like this towards 5. Okay, number again 2 and 5. Here is a box. 2 is less than. So what happened? 2 is less than. See, you will put 5 under this. Okay, this way. Now see this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here see 4 is nearest to 1. This 4 is nearest to 1. And 8 is number 8. It is farther to 1. Farthest to 1. Isn't it? When we compare two numbers 4 and 8, 4 is closest to 1 and 8 is farther from 1. So 8 is greater than 4. So 8 is greater than 4. So we'll put 8 under this. Okay. Here number next one 4 and 8 9, if we compare, 4 is left to 9. See, 4 is toward the left side of 9, isn't it? This is left to 9 and from 10 it is right to 9, isn't it? 10, 11, 12. So this 10, number 10, 11, 12, this number comes left to right to 9. And see, and left to 9 is 8, 7, 4, 6, 5, 4. So 4 is left to 9. So 4 is smaller than 9. When the number is left side towards if you see the number line and if you find the number is left to the other number, here we are considering two numbers 4 and 9. So when you consider the two number only 4 and 9, then we will find that 4 is towards the left of 9. So 9 is greater. Any number that is towards the right of 9 will be greater than 9. Any number that is towards the left of 9 will be smaller than 9. Like 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All this number lies to the left of 9. So all these numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, they are less than 9. Okay. Then here comes equal to. Equal to means see here 1, 2, 3, 4 if you go this side. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 if you come this side. Okay. Both are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. So these both are equal in both the cases. So here 4 is equal to 4. If you go to left also same. If you move to a right, it is also same. Now for example, see 7 is greater than 4. See, this is 4, this is 7. So 7 is towards the right. So it is greater than 4. So it can be written as 7. This is greater than sign 4. 2 is less than 9. This number 2 is less than 9. So it can be written as 2. It is less than 9. We'll put this mark like this. This greater than sign. Greater than sign. Then 5 is equal to 5. It can be written as equal to. So this is the sign of greater than. This is smaller than. This is equal to. Okay. Now if you do here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many apples are there? 7. Here how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is greater? 7 is greater. So you will make this sign. Okay, you will put this like this. This is greater than. It will be under your this like V. Then here 2 and here how many pineapples are there? 2. And how many pineapples are there? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which one is greater? 9 is greater. So the arrow is towards 9. Here how many strawberries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. So it is equal sign. Okay, you have to follow this. Okay, then in the next class we will do, let us see if we can finish exercise 2.5. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.